Okay, good afternoon, second grade. This is just an update for the end of the day. Please make sure that you do your studies weekly. You had a science lesson yesterday that you needed to listen to on the studies weekly. Stapled in your folder, yesterday's folder, was the password and how to get into it, the login and how to get into it. Then today you were supposed to listen to the social studies, okay? In the same way, it told you how to get into it, was in your folder. It was stapled in there. Please leave those stapled folders in there. I don't have to replace them all the time. That tells you how to get into it. Today you had social studies that you needed to do on Studies Weekly, okay? So make sure that you are doing both of those and taking the test on both of them, okay? They're not that hard. Just get on there, log in just like it says, and go on and do those. I am also so sorry that math was late today. Normally I have it up by 2 o'clock. It was a long lesson, number one, plus I was busy covering a classroom for another teacher, and so I didn't have time to get it quite made until a little bit later than what I normally would have done. So I am so sorry about that. So do your studies weekly for this week, okay? Get online and do that and take those tests. Okay, if you can't get online and do it, then you need to read the paperwork and you need to and get that back to me, and then next week I'll hand you a paper test. If you don't get online and do it, it will be a paper test, and it'll be a lot harder on paper than listening to it on the computer. Okay, I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good evening.